Thank you for joining us as we look at the new Google Sites. So Google Sites has been around for quite a while. It is an excellent tool and a lot of people have used it for a variety of ways. And this is what you may be used to seeing. This is the sites.google.com domain where you can create a site, you can add, and this is what is now called the classic Google Sites. The new Google Sites is what we are going to be exploring. If you want to create a new Google site, you will actually go to your Drive, go to New, choose More, and you'll see that Sites now is located here. Now this is the new Google site. So that is where we are going to go to begin starting and creating. The nice thing about it is, because I am creating it out of Google Drive, it saves my sites in Google Drive. And I now have several at the bottom that are untitled sites, and this is where it will be saved. So I can go here, double click, and begin to modify. Now you'll notice what happens. Even though this is a new Google site, you'll see, I'm going to point out, it still says sites.google.com, but if I just go to sites.google.com, it will not show up here, and when I launch new Google Sites, it takes me to what a Drive option will look like. So for instance, if I went to docs.google.com, it would show me all my docs, but right now, if I just type in sites.google.com, instead of taking me to the view of this, it takes me to the traditional classic view, and from here I can launch. So the two ways that you can go there is either through My Drive, which is the most efficient and quickest way, or go to the sites.google.com, which will show you the classic view, and then launch new Google Sites. I'm not sure if and or when they are going to change that, but the other thing you can always do is grab a hold of this URL, add it as a favorite, and say new Google Sites. I'll choose Done. Now I have a new tab and I want to go to my favorites. You'll see that I have all these different options. So I can go down to the bottom where my newest one is, do new Google Sites, and it will relocate me to the actual new Google Sites. From here I can create a new site, I can look at my previous ones, or I can go back to classic sites. So sites.google.com will jump me in between, but the main landing page will always be the classic view. So that's the location of new Google Sites. So we are going to explore how to create one, how to change the site once we have it created, how to share it, and maybe even, if you would like to, a little bit more advanced of how to add some analytics to it as we continue through new Google Sites.